Row harder, guys. This storm is terrible.
Yeah, we're rowing. We're trying to.
I wish Jesus was here.
We do too. Where is he?
Remember? He told us he was going to go to the mountains and pray.
Oh yeah. Sure would be nice if he was here.
Yeah, I think it's nice to be here. I agree. Wow. I hope the boat holds together. This is horrible.
Peter, what's that up ahead? Is it a ghost? Ah!
It's a ghost walking on the water.
Hi guys. No, I'm not a ghost. It's me, Jesus.
If it's really you, how many come and walk on water?
Okay, Peter. Get out of the boat. Walk over here. You can trust me.
Whether you're not, here I come. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hey, look at me. I'm walking on water. Cool. Listen to the wind. Oh my. Look at those waves. Oh! Help me, Jesus. Save me, Lord. I'm gonna drown.
Peter, Peter, Peter. Why didn't you trust me? Why did you take your eyes off me?
Well, there was the wind and the waves, and it was scary, and
Peter.
I know. Sometimes, but I'm my own worst enemy. I need to trust in you, because when I don't, I get that sinking feeling and almost drown in my own fear.
Maybe you'll remember the next time and trust me.
Me too, Lord. Me too. Sometimes I don't make the best choices.
Wow. He is the Son of God.
You know that I'm not the real Jesus, right? I'm just playing the part of Jesus in this skit. The story that you just saw really happened, and you can read about it in the Bible. It's in the book of Matthew, chapter 14, verses 23 through 33. I just want you to know that Jesus really is the Son of God. He loves you. You can trust him all the time. His life, death, and resurrection showed he is who he says he is. When we look to Jesus and trust in him, he will save us from our sin. See you later, kids. Bye.
Bye.